Round one, ding ding ding. Slow roll, somewhat. 3 boxes, 3 years, 1 spot gets you 2 teams randomized. Rich T going for that Tebow. Round one, daily box breaks. Moving and grooving. Robert V is my Giants, dude. I know you're easy to deal with if you pull me Hakeem Nicks. Yeah, Ben, my yeah, my Excel skills are something to be desired, you know. Start the roll at number 1. What do you mean? Start the roll at number 1. Alright, I'll show you some of your teams then. Bills. So CJ Spiller all up in there. Sean K, where you at, man? Packers. Seahawks, sorry, buddy. Rams. Stafford for you. Chargers. I got you, bro. I got you, man. Don't worry. Sean K, Patriots. Sean K, Falcons. Sean K, Bears, Titans. The Chefs. The Boys. The Jets. There you go. Let me spread this on out. Nice big spread. Yeah, guys. Huge giveaways going on. It's gonna be crazy. So, 2009 SP Upper Deck. These guys are in their NFL jerseys. We got a sticker on the number, so we're just gonna slice her open. And I dropped my blade before. And there she be. Basically, this stuff, hit or miss. You're guaranteed at least 2 single autographs or a multi-signed card in every box. There's a lot of quad signatures. Those things are awesome in here. So, let's get a number in your face. $44.9. What's up with my phone? Who be bothering me? So yeah, you guys, here we go. Pretty pumped. Box 2, flying off the shelf for triple threads. If we sell out that whole case by the time the case is here, you guys don't want to know what I'm going to do for you. You guys do not want to know. It's going to be great. 18 boxes. Going to be a lot of work. There's a couple base in here too. Come on, baby. Sorry guys, I have not opened this before. Alright. Otagwe for the Rams. Ronnie Brown for the Dolphins. Derek Mason, that's just a base. And the dual autograph goes to the Eagles. You got the 2 rookie of 2009 cornerbacks, Victor Harris and Jack Ekwonu. I saw the Eagles and I was like, oh, what's that? LaShawn McCoy maybe. But there you go. Who has the Eagles? Nice little dual autograph for the Eagles. Ben J. There you go, Broseph. Scooping up a nice duel. Alright. Moving forward in time. And again, another sticker all up in there. $61. They went with the clear packs this year. I'm pretty sure the redemptions are still active. If not, I know Panini is good with taking care of people. But I'm pretty sure there's a couple more months left on the redemptions. So, Hines Ward for the Steelers, and that's just a base out of $4.99. Burner Turner for the Falcons. And that's base, $4.99. Couple away from his jersey number. And Corey Wooten, rookie phenoms for 2010. $4.99. Arani Brown for the Dolphins, and this is going to be the lower numbered one. I'm guessing out of 50, and it is. 45 out of 50. And now we're getting into the hits. Dexter McCluster, dude, I actually drafted him. I'm not drafted him, I picked him up in fantasy football. Because you could stick him into the running back or the wide receiver slot. And that's for the Chiefs, the Chefs. And looks like something, a piece of glue. Something's on that fabric. That could be game-used spit. Or something. Blood. Game-used blood. For the Chiefs. Sean K. There you go, dude. And that is 75 out of 99. Sean K actually nailed a crazy Andy Dalton autograph refractor out of 99 from Topps Chrome in a blaster box. Yeah, you know, I couldn't believe it myself. Oh, guys, I think we have something very nice back there. Very nice back there. But right now we have this. Eddie Royal, sweet, sweet patch. This guy has a ton of talent. I liked him a lot. Catching the long bombs. It's like Torrey Smith. is low numbered. 15 out of 15. You know, it's nice because, you know, in 2010 I wasn't really a part of the card collecting. But, you know, it's nice to get back in, you know, and like catch up. Broncos, Rich T. Sweet little patch there. Awesome. Alright. Wowzers. We're going to save that for last. And for the Eagles, Riley Cooper. I'm sorry, does anybody for the Eagles, does anybody know is he like a punter or something? Wide receiver, okay. Okay. And that is low numbered. 5 out of 25. Very nice for the Eagles. And who had the Eagles again? I forgot. Was it Ben? Yep, Ben. There you go, brother. Second hit. And what is this? Oh boy. Ooh, look at this. Who's that? Laundry tags? Vince Young and Chris Johnson, dude. That's cool, man. That's a cool little patch. I'm guessing laundry tags for the Titans, and she is a low number. 2 out of 5. I've never pulled anything like that. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, that's definitely laundry tag. See the Alpha Laundry? Titans belong to Sean K. Dude, this is a nice prime patch. Very low numbered. Very sexy card, dude. Awesome, man. I've never pulled any lettering like that before. Alright, so that is box 2 of 3. Crazy. Alright. On to the third box. And you see, this is how this stuff is fun, you know? Ending in 14. You know, you get 3 different... I'm going to bring this back after we do Triple Threads, but I'm going to get a better 2009 box. Yeah, I'll get a better 2009. See, the thing is with 2009, the redemptions are bad. They're expired. But what you can do is you can take them redemptions and you can contact the company and they will take care of you. I haven't opened this stuff up in like months, dude. I pulled a nice Franco Harris auto out of this stuff. Dude, Sean, dude, that was a sweet card, man. I saw the 2 out of 5 and I thought it was going to be a dual autograph, but that's just as good. Dual laundry, man. And Vince Young, he's still got some gas in the tank. You know? He still has some gas in the tank. Alright, we peeling the bottom? We're peeling the bottom. Alright. Franco Harris for the Steelers. And that's the base out of $4.99. Okay. We gotta hide you, and we gotta hide you, and we gotta hide you. Okay. Just doing a little maneuvering. A little shuffling, that's all. Joshua Cribbs for them Browns. And the first hit going to Nate Washington jersey card for the Titans. Sean K. That's 246 and 250. Next up, we have Mr. Shenko. Visante. You don't see that many game used jerseys. I had him a couple years ago in fantasy and he kicked ass. For the Vikings. Vikings belong to someone named Rich T. There you go, brother. And that is 36 out of 99. And the autograph. The autograph of Clyde Edmund Gates for the Dolphins. And that is Robert V. And that is 205 out of 265. Excellent there. Alright, well that concludes round number 1.